Get ready to challenge what you thought you knew. Don't miss an episode of the truth within the Bible. Your journey to enlightenment starts now.
Welcome back, my friends. Today we are going to continue in the Minor Prophets with Hosea chapter 5. But before we get started, let's get our quick recap of the last video, which covered chapter 4, to catch us back up. God has a controversy with the people of the land. There is no truth, no mercy, and no knowledge of God in the land. The people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. The priests are just as guilty as the people. They feed on the sin of the people and set their heart on their iniquity. The more the people sinned, the more the priests prospered from it. Israel is joined to idols. They ask counsel from their idols and witching rods instead of from God. The spirit of whoredoms has caused them to err. God warns them not to come to Gilgal or Bethaven and says Ephraim is joined to idols. Their drink is sour, and their rulers love shame. So without further ado, Hosea chapter 5, verse 1.
Hear ye this, O priests, and hearken, ye house of Israel, and give ye ear, O house of the king, for judgment is toward you, because ye have been a snare on Mizpah, and a net spread upon Tabor.
Tabor was a high place where they spread nets to trap people in false religion. Mizpah means watchtower. A watchtower is supposed to have a watchman, someone watching, teaching the truth, and giving warning. But instead of watching for the people, these leaders were setting traps for them. Verse 2.
And the revolters are profound to make slaughter, though I have been a rebuker of them all.
The reason they make slaughter is they cause one to become spiritually dead. And to cause one to be spiritually dead is a worse sin than murder itself, because you've killed the very soul of an entity when you deceive it with false teachings, knowingly or not. Verse 3.
I know Ephraim, and Israel is not hid from me. For now, O Ephraim, thou committest whoredom, and Israel is defiled.
Just to be clear, Ephraim stands for the northern kingdom of Israel, the 10 tribes. Ephraim was the largest of those tribes, so the prophets often used the name Ephraim for the whole northern kingdom. Hosea switches between Israel and Ephraim, but he is talking about the same people. Verse 4.
They will not frame their doings to turn unto their God, for the spirit of whoredoms is in the midst of them, and they have not known the Lord.
Their ignorance has destroyed them, their lack of knowledge. Verse 5.
And the pride of Israel doth testify to his face. Therefore shall Israel and Ephraim fall in their iniquity. Judah also shall fall with them.
Fall into what? Deception? Apostasy? You're in that generation. It's going to happen. Why? Lack of knowledge. It will cause you to fall. It will destroy you. Verse 6.
They shall go with their flocks and with their herds to seek the Lord, but they shall not find him. He hath withdrawn himself from them.
Well, that sounds familiar. Where has God said this before? Isaiah 54:8. Let's hear it.
In a little wrath I hid my face from thee for a moment, but with everlasting kindness will I have mercy on thee, saith the Lord thy Redeemer.
Both describe the same pattern: temporary withdrawal because of sin, followed by mercy and restoration. And it is going to happen again. Verse 7.
They have dealt treacherously against the Lord, for they have begotten strange children. Now shall a month devour them with their portions.
Strangers for not knowing that they were the children of God, because of the whoredoms, the apostasy, the deception, and the lack of knowledge, proper teaching of who our children are. Verse 8.
Blow ye the cornet in Gibeah, and the trumpet in Ramah. Cry aloud at Bethaven after thee, O Benjamin.
These places are the hills around Jerusalem, and Ramah is the hill. This is a warning to the northern tribes, Ephraim, and even down to Benjamin in the south. The Assyrian army is already advancing. It has reached as far as Benjamin. Judgment is at the door, and it will come suddenly. The Assyrian here is also a type of the Antichrist in the end times. When that final oppression comes, it will likewise happen quickly, in a very short period. Verse 9.
Ephraim shall be desolate in the day of rebuke. Among the tribes of Israel have I made known that which shall surely be.
He has given the warning. Verse 10.
The princes of Judah were like them that remove the bound. Therefore I will pour out my wrath upon them like water.
In the Bible, removing the bound, or landmark/boundary marker, refers to the serious offense of shifting property boundary stones to steal land from a neighbor. This was explicitly forbidden under the law, Deuteronomy 19:14, 27:17, also Proverbs 22:28 and 23:10, because the boundaries marked God-given tribal inheritances in the land. Doing so was theft, injustice, and disrespect for the order God established. Verse 11.
Ephraim is oppressed and broken in judgment because he willingly walked after the commandment.
Not the commandment of God, obviously, but he is speaking about the commandments of falsehood, the teachings of false preachers, and the day of vengeance is coming. Verse 12.
Therefore will I be unto Ephraim as a moth, and to the house of Judah as rottenness.
Going to eat a hole in all the precious things you have. Better hang on to your wallet, friend. Verse 13.
When Ephraim saw his sickness, and Judah saw his wound, then went Ephraim to the Assyrian, and sent to King Jareb. Yet could he not heal you, nor cure you of your wound.
Go ahead and ask Satan, the Assyrian, to heal you. It won't do you any good. That's what they're going to do, and that's what God is saying here. Verse 14.
For I will be unto Ephraim as a lion, and as a young lion to the house of Judah. I, even I, will tear and go away. I will take away, and none shall rescue him.
Verse 15 to finish the chapter.
I will go and return to my place, till they acknowledge their offense and seek my face. In their affliction they will seek me early.
They're going to hurt, and they're going to hurt a bunch. They're going to turn back to the Father, praying to find the true Father, seeking knowledge instead of distraction and false teachings. These lectures on the Minor Prophets are like reading tomorrow's newspaper. We're in that time. Pay attention. Next time we open Hosea chapter 6, and what God says there will surprise a lot of people. It's one of the most powerful and overlooked passages in the whole book. Like and subscribe so you don't miss it. Until the next video where we cover Hosea chapter 6, stay strong, my friends.